Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus stuck on a spinning loading wheel that just never stops? Here's a fix. First, open a browser and check a third party outage tracker like Down Detector's Disney Plus page, since Disney has no official status page, and this instantly tells you if there is a problem and if it's on their end rather than yours. If everything looks normal there, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off to completely reset your network connection, since a stalled connection is the most common cause of an endless spinning wheel. Force close Disney Plus completely from your recent app list and reopen it fresh on that resetted connection. If it's still stuck, go to your settings, then go to general, then scroll down to iPhone storage, then scroll down to the list of apps and find Disney Plus. Tap on it and then tap offload app. After you offload it, go to the app store, search for Disney Plus and reinstall it fresh from there. So all you've got to do is check for an outage first, reset your connection, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Disney Plus loads normally, and that's it. Subscribe.